Meaning of evacuee.
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 Evacuee. An evacuee is a person who has been forced to leave their home or place of residence due to war, natural disasters, or other emergencies. The term often refers to individuals who have been displaced from their homes and are seeking refuge elsewhere. Evacuees may temporarily stay in designated emergency shelters or be relocated to other areas until it is safe to return home. This term is commonly used during times of crisis and emergency situations where large-scale evacuations are necessary to ensure the safety and well-being of individuals and communities.